Hello everybody, as you can see from the title, today I'm going to be talking about retinol. Yes, it is the skincare ingredients that has gained immense popularity over the years. It seems like most companies are coming out with their own version of retinol products, so I decided to do my own research on retinol and I wanted to share with you what I learned. I just want to know that this is what I found during my research. Make sure you do your own research if you're thinking about using retinol. Alright, so what is retinol? Retinol is a form of vitamin A, which is a powerful antioxidant that improves skin texture, reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and even out skin tone. So how it works is by increasing cell turnover and stimulating collagen production in your skin, which helps make your skin look youthful and healthy. So something you have to know about retinol is that it comes in different percentage. And it ranges from 0.1% up to 2.5%, and you can only get those over the counter. There are different types and forms of retinol and different percentage, but I believe those you have to get it prescribed. If you are looking into using retinol for the first time and you're a beginner, I highly recommend that you start from 0.1% and gradually work your way up. If you start using retinol at a very high concentration, it can cause irritation, redness, skin flaking, which can be very, very uncomfortable, sometimes painful. I've experienced it. You do not want to experience it. So you have to be very careful when you're using retinol. But I'm not here to like scare you about retinol. It is an amazing ingredient and it can really change your skin. And this is why you have to do your research and learn about retinol before you start using it, because you want to use it right so that you get the results that you're looking for. And once you start understanding how to use it and use it properly, you can't go back. You will always have retinol in your skincare routine. So while I was doing my research, I found different products with different percentage range. So let me share that with you. So starting with the lowest dose is 0.1%, and it's currently one of the products I'm using right now. It is the Mezone Retinol Use Serum in 0.1%. I'm also using the Mezone Retinol Use Cream in 0.3%. Mezone did send this to me and I'm testing it out. If you are following me on social media or if you're following me on YouTube, I know I said this a lot that I will be reviewing this. It just takes a long time to review retinol products, but it's coming soon, I promise. These two products are really nice. They have niacinamide, they have squalene in here. The cream has shea butter, which is really good because retinol can be drying to your skin. So I like that there are other ingredients in here that will help with dryness and irritation. I should also mention I've only tried these two products of the products that I'm mentioning right now. Rest of the products are just from my research and I haven't try them out. I will probably try them out in the future, but I just want to share with you the products that I found while I was doing my research. So yeah, I just wanted to put that out there. Other products that I found were 0.3 SkinCeutical Retinol and 0.5% the ordinary retinol. And these two products contain just pure retinol. There's also the Cosrx, the retinol 0.5% oil. As I mentioned, retinol can be drying, so I like that how this Cosrx product has oil in it to really moisturize your skin. And there's also squalene in there to help with irritation. Going up to 1%, I found the Paula's Choice 1% Retinol Booster. And this contains ceramide and peptides for moisture. Going up, there is the number 7 Advanced Retinol 1.5% Complex. This seems to be one of the most popular retinol products that I found online. There were tons of reviews on this. I'm very interested about this product. I think after I finish these two products, I would probably try that out because there were so many reviews on it and I want to see it for myself and see how it is. This retinol is fragrance free and it contains peptides and collagen. And the highest retinol I found was the Natrium, I think that's what's called, Natrium Retinol Complex Face Cream in 2.5%. So this product is for advanced users, someone who have used retinol for a long time. If you're starting out, I wouldn't suggest using this product. Start with a small dose for sure. There's one honorable mention that I want to talk about. It's the Innisfree. Oh, I forgot the exact name, but I'll put a picture here. That retinol product is super gentle. I think that was actually the first retinol product I used, and I had no irritation. It was a very good product to start and introduce your skin to retinol. I don't know exactly what percentage is, but I think there is a very small concentration of retinol because my skin didn't even react to it. So that is another product that I do want to mention. So how would you use this ingredient? Every product will probably come with their own instruction manual, so I highly recommend that you do read that. But in general, you want to use a pea-sized amount. And when I say pea-size, I literally mean pea-size. Like, I know with conditioner you're supposed to use like a coin size, but we just like slab on a bunch of conditioner on your skin. But with retinol, you do really want to use a pea size, and you don't need a lot. And you want to first start applying it once a week, and after a while you want to apply it twice a week, and then after that you want to apply it thrice a week. So you have to just see how your skin reacts. So if you feel like your skin is okay with applying once a week and you want to try using it twice a week, try using that. But if you feel like your skin is irritated, then go back to once a week. So you really have to play around with retinol. The most important rule, if you have to take anything from this video, it is also important to apply sunscreen. Let me tell you this from my experience. You always want to apply sunscreen. You know, even if you're not using retinol, you should apply sunscreen. But you have to apply sunscreen when you're using retinol. When I moved to California and my skincare routine kind of got messed up, and there were times when I didn't apply sunscreen because I just wanted to quickly step out to do something, and I burned my skin. My skin was red, it was irritated, it was raw. Like, you really want to apply sunscreen when you're using retinol because your skin is very sensitive. So make sure you use sunscreen. Don't be like me and think that, oh, I'm gonna be out for like only 2 seconds, my skin will be fine. No, your skin is so sensitive to the sun, so apply sunscreen. Don't be a dummy like me. Something you have to be mindful about retinol is that it takes a long time to see results. It can take about a month to 3 months. It depends on your skin type and your health and everything, but it takes a long time to see results with retinol. So make sure you're consistent and you're patient, because it'll be worth it at the end. When you're first using it, you might see some peeling, some flaking, even some redness, but that is normal. If it's burning or if you feel really painful tingling sensations, then obviously stop using it. If you see that your skin is flaking or there's a bit of redness to your skin, that is normal when you're using retinol. Make sure you apply a really good moisturizer after applying a retinol product. If your skin is flaking, do not use any type of exfoliators or chemical peels. Like, do not do any of that. Just moisturize, because if you use any type of exfoliant, that's also gonna cause irritation to your skin. Just apply moisturizer. Keep your skin moisturized. If the dryness and peeling is severe and it's burning, it feels uncomfortable, reduce the frequency of use and apply a really good moisturizer. And that is exactly what I did when I burned my skin. Because I didn't use my sunscreen while using retinol, I just slapped on my CeraVe like every 2 hours, or whenever my skin felt dry, I would just put on CeraVe, and that helped so much with my skin. So in summary, retinol is a very powerful ingredient that's gonna help with your skin texture. It's gonna help even out skin tone and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It comes in different percentage, and make sure you use a low percentage if you're a beginner. Remember to start slowly, apply sunscreen, and be very patient with your results. And with consistent use, you will see a visible difference in your skin. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and comment if you're using retinol or not. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.